No mai anō, welcome back. Thousands of Pasifika in Auckland who have fallen prey to illegal pyramid schemes have been left without cash for food or rent just as the country's plunged into lockdown. One News is aware of at least 18 schemes targeting just the Tongan community. For the last 4 months, Pacific correspondent Barbara Drever has been investigating what's believed to be the biggest player, TONGI TUPE, said to owe millions to victims. Here's her exclusive report.
Every Saturday, there's a lot of cash on site at Alpha shipping premises in Otara. Tongans queue to collect envelopes containing at least $2,500. This is the woman who runs the New Zealand arm of the Tonga TUPE scheme, Ofa Siasau.
Good morning, Tongan community. Come and get some money.
People are lured in on social media with the promise, invest $4,500 and after 21 days you'll get paid $2,500 every week. Many Tonga TUPE investors have collected one payment but often reinvest it and lose everything. Those at the top reap the rewards and, like all pyramid schemes, they eventually collapse, leaving people like Mafu, who put in $5,000 with nothing.
I know there are more victims in our community who are afraid to come forward. I want justice for false promises. I want my money to be returned.
That won't happen. One News understands Tonga TUPE hasn't paid anyone for the last fortnight.
Hi, Ofa, I'm Barbara Drever from One News. How much money have you taken from people? Ofa, do you regret what you've done?
Ofa Siasau didn't want to speak to One News, neither did her associate, Tomasi Ofanoa.
I got nothing to do with it.
Well, unfortunately, Tomasi, your videos help promote the scheme, so you do have something to do with it.
You can say whatever you say on the video.
All right.
But that is your own opinion.
Well, it's more than opinion. This is one of Mr. Ofanoa's promotional videos.
Get in touch, don't wait. Look at these people who are happy. They are happy to receive their money this morning.
He also filmed this video at a public meeting in June called by pyramid scheme victim Tionle Fatukala, who was hoping to raise community awareness. Ofa Siasau was there, bringing along supporters who disrupted the meeting. Tionle Fatukala lost $20,000 in another scheme. She's determined to bring all the pyramid scheme leaders to justice and is helping victims complain to the Commerce Commission.
I'm so ashamed that these Tongans have took advantage of us Tongans.
Tonga TUPE was founded in the US, with claims more than $11 million is now owed to victims there and in Australia and New Zealand. That number likely to grow. Barbara Drever, One News.